What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin, currently sitting at 22,379. We're up 4.3 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 423 billion. 24-hour volume, 35.65 billion. Let's hop into the charts. All right, so we've been watching this five-wave structure. In the last video, I said look for a wave 4 pullback. Check it out, guys. Perfect bounce off our wave 4 pullback zone. And we put in a potential wave 5. So what I'm looking at is a potential wave 1 of the wave 3. So I'm going to grab my little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So I'm going to enlarge it. Just give me a sec, guys. 3, 4, 5. We're going to make this one. We're going to make this one small. And we're going to make this one a little bit bigger. All right. So potentially what I'm looking at is this is your wave 1 of this wave 3 in white here. And we could potentially see a wave 2 pullback. So to measure our wave 2 pullback, take your fib retracement from the bottom of your wave 1, top of your wave 1, and you're looking for a retracement. I'm just going to use, maybe I'll use a new yellow box just so I can show my work here. You're looking for a retracement minimum the 0.382, but usually it's going to land in between the 0.5, the 0.618, and sometimes the 0.786. Now, if we just see continuation to the upside, if we continue to explode here, we'd have to look at a different wave structure because we have once again broken out of this ascending triangle. So if we were to simply back test it and see continuation to the upside, then we'd have to be looking at a different wave structure. But if we do come down here, then we're putting in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we may be looking at a wave 1, a wave 2 pullback, and then we see our wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 within the wave 3, within the larger wave 3. This is your top of your wave 5. If we start to get rejected, if we continue to pump, then we'd have to look at a different wave count here. But if we did see some pullback from this level, take my fib-based trend extension to measure the wave 3 from the bottom of wave 1 to the top. Let's say we come down to the 0.5. So the wave 3 would take you up to the 1.618 at a minimum at about 26K. You put in a wave 4 pullback, and you see that final wave 5. And you see that final wave 5 to complete the wave 3. So I'm actually going to pull this out here. All right, so here's your subwaves in pink. Wave 1, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, corrective wave 4. Your final wave 5 to complete the larger wave 3, and then you see a wave 4 pullback, and you see your final wave 5 to complete that larger wave 3. That could take you all the way up here to about 28K. As I mentioned previously, when you go through a 1, 2, 1, 2, it usually symbolizes an extended wave 3. Now, for a lot of newbies in crypto, you're watching my video, you never heard of Elliott wave. It's going to sound like an alien language. Please do some research on YouTube about Elliott wave if you want to fully understand it. It does take time, but it's worthwhile as it really helps in your trading and your overall analysis, in my opinion. Everything's my opinion, not financial advice. As I'm not your financial advisor, I'm just a young guy from Canada, right, guys? So that's if we start to see a retracement. Target in between about 20.6K, 19.5K. However, if we just consolidate, we hold the support of the ascending triangle, we see continuation, then we'll have to look at a little bit of a different wave count, in my opinion. But currently, Bitcoin is looking strong. In my opinion, we could still be going through that wave 4 as I continue to mention here. Which chart? I think I have it on FTX. Nope, I don't have it on FTX. Just 1 second, guys. Did I do it on? No, I have it on Gemini. I have it on Gemini. So potentially, we could still be putting in a wave 4. Like we could see a huge rally and come all the way up to 29K and still put in one more wave to the downside. It's either that or we've completed the 5-wave structure to the downside as shown here. I'll actually zoom out a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. Where we've come up, where we've been going through one large wave 4 correction, and this was your wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, your final wave 5. I know it's hard to see, and that the bottom is in, and we put in the wave 4, and we're looking for a wave 5, a larger wave 5, where we've started the bull run. Here's your wave 1, wave 2 pullback. This was your huge wave 3, corrected wave 4. Looking for that final wave 5, definitely a possibility. But I think personally, I think the more likely scenario here is that where's that chart right here, is that we're still putting in a corrective wave 4, looking for a final wave 5 to the downside to take you in between 11 to 13k. But I could be I could be completely wrong. We have a bullish reversal pattern. Coins like Matic have already started to look like they're reversing the trend. So we'll have to see what happens here with our friend BTC over the next few months, I guess. But this would definitely be a pretty quick turnaround compared to previous bear markets if we just start to explode back to the upside here. So I think that's basically it for BTC. In the short term, if you do see some pullback, potentially we are looking at a wave 1 within the wave 3, which is labeled in pink here. If we see a pullback in between 19.5k and about 20.6k, we could be looking at a wave 2. And looking to put in that wave 3 of the wave 3 of the wave 3. It probably sound pretty silly saying that, but that's basically how it is. So we could definitely see that rally all the way up to 28k. It's looking more likely, in my opinion. That's basically it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord, making some juicy profits on our Gala trade. Sorry, currently up 55%. I know it's up even more now. Yeah, it's up even more. Let me check my phone real quick. See how much we're up here. I'll show it. I'll flash it up on the screen. Just give me a minute here, guys. Hope everybody's doing well. Let's jump into it. Okay, logging in, derivatives. Let's open it up. Oh, 65%. There it is. There's the Gala trade. Hopefully you guys can see that clearly. Currently up 65% over on Bybit. So if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, it's coming in at the $10 membership for my leverage trades, for my spot trades. And we have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, $10 a month. And if you want to trade with me, make sure to sign up to Bybit. That's where I do all my trading. You can check out my full link tutorial, $4,500 in bonuses, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.